It's 9 a.m. and the day's off to a loud start. This is a bio-loom, and it is weaving a mesh that may one day help change the way doctors treat breast cancer.
Current medicine is based on, well, some of it's based on catch-up, so you're always getting information after the fact.
With support from the National Science Foundation, bioengineer Karen Berg and her colleagues at Clemson University are using the mesh and other tools to build scaffolds that mimic the three-dimensional structure of human tissue.
You know, the long-term goal is to be able to personalize a treatment or a vaccine for a particular patient.
The 3D structures are high-fidelity test systems. In the lab, Berg and her team can culture cancer cells in them, experimenting to see which treatments are the most effective.
Depending on whether the person is a late-stage cancer patient or an early-stage cancer patient will make a very big difference in the type of three-dimensional structure that we would build.
Some of the bioengineered building blocks are as simple as a small pool of gel, while others are more sophisticated and can be cut in custom shapes and stacked. This machine is a bio-fabricator. It deposits the cancer cells at strategic locations inside the 3D structure, just like tumors in human flesh.
If you think of peanut butter, you know, nuts suspended in paste, essentially. That's similar to what we would like to be able to do with building tissues, is to build tissues that have features within them. So the nuts in the peanut butter might be similar to tumor nodules.
Berg's lab buzzes with activity, including mentors who work with freshmen and sophomore trainees from underrepresented student populations.
So we wanted to defy the usual traditional way of bringing students into research, which is usually junior and senior year. And we really wanted to whet their interest with a lower key type of opportunity. In other words, get them in the labs, but not in a taxing way because it is their first or second year.
Bioengineering tools to wage the war on cancer. That's a fight we all can take personally. For Science Nation, I'm Miles O'Brien.